Question number 4. Arun bought a car for rupees 3,50,000. The next year, the price went up to rupees 3,70,000. What was the percentage of price increase? See the solution. Original price of car, it is rupees 3,50,000. Increased price of car, it is rupees 3,70,000. Therefore, increase in price equal to rupees 3,70,000 minus 3,50,000. It is rupees 20,000. Therefore, increased percent it is increase in price upon original price into 100%. Put the values. Increase in price, it is rupees 20,000 upon original price, it is 3,50,000 into 100%. Solve it. Here you can cancel 30 by 30, or you can say 40 by 40. Now by 5, 5 7 ja 35, and 20 5 ja 100 equal to 40 upon 7. That is 5 upon 7%. This is your answer. Now come to question number 5. I buy a TV for rupees 10,000 and sell it at a profit of 20%. How much money do I get for it? See the solution. Yes, CP of TV equal to rupees 10,000. Profit equal to 20%. profit percent equal to 20%. Therefore, profit equal to 20% of CP, that is rupees 10,000. Solve it. We will get 20 upon 100 into 10,000. Solve this. 20 is cancelled by 20. It will be rupees 2,000. Therefore, selling price of TV will be cost price plus profit. Here cost price is rupees 10,000 plus profit is 2,000. Add it, we will get rupees 12,000. Therefore, he will get rupees 12,000 on selling his TV. Now come to question number 6. Juhi sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. She loses 20% in the bargain. What was the price at which she bought it? Say the solution. Here SP of washing machine it is rupees 13,500. Loss equal to 20%. Therefore, CP of washing machine it is SP into 100 upon 100 in minus loss percent. Put the values, you will get rupees SP is 13,500 into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent, that is 20. It is equivalent to rupees 13,500 into 100 upon 80. Here cancel 0 by 0 by 4. 4 2 is 8. and 25 4 100, again by 2, 2 1 by 2, 2 6 12, 2 7 14, and 2 5 10. Now multiply this. 675 into 25, it is 16,875. Therefore, CP of washing machine equal to rupees 16,875. This is your answer. Now come to question number 7. Say first part. Chalk contains calcium, carbon and oxygen in the ratio 10:3:12. Find the percentage of carbon in chalk. Say solution. First part. Here calcium, ratio carbon, ratio oxygen. It is equivalent to 10:3:12. Here total parts equal to, add the ratio, that is 10 plus 3 plus 12, that is 25. Therefore part of carbon, it is 3/25. Therefore percentage of carbon in chalk box, in chalk, percentage of carbon in chalk, it is 3/25 into 100%. Simplify it. 25 1 25 4 100, 3 into 4, it is 12%. This is your answer, 12%. Now second part. If in a stick of chalk carbon is 3 gram, what is the weight of chalk stick? Here quantity of carbon, carbon in chalk stick, it is 3 gram. Let the weight of chalk stick, let The weight of chalk stick bx gram. Therefore, 12% of x equal to 3 gram. You can say solve it for x. 12% means 12 upon 100 into x equal to 3, or x is equal to 3 into reciprocal of 12 upon 100, that is 100 upon 12. Simplify it. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja 12, then by 4, 4 1 ja, and 25 4 ja, that is equivalent to 25 gram. What is x? Weight of chalk stick. Therefore, weight of chalk stick equal to 25 gram. This is your answer.